Okay guys, helical pile guys are in here today and they're installing the first helical pile. We're going to be doing a total of 7 for extra support. Since this is getting extended out 5 feet from here, we're pretty much going to be doing 3 across the front, 2 across the back, and 2 on the right hand side where the staircase is going to be. So sit back and watch the process. So what they're doing is pretty much using a mini excavator to push this, to screw this post into the ground. Once he gets to a certain depth, he's going to put the level on there, which that's what he's doing now, and then he's going to make sure that it's plumb. So now that he sees that, it can make the adjustments and go from there. Yep, you good. See where it's nice and plumb. Once this goes into the ground, then it's going to be a stopping point. This will give the pressure readings of the post. It'll give the dimensions of how deep the post is in the ground, and then he'll move on to the second post installation. So what this is going to do is create a solid foundation for the support beams to rest on. And the other thing is, it's not allowing any movement of any soil to be disturbed underneath, versus you digging a hole with a post hole digger or an auger and then filling it with concrete. That can shift and expand and contract and so forth and move around. With this, you have a greater chance of very minimal, if any, movement. So yeah, he's almost down to where he needs to be, and I think that's it. Now he's on to the next post. Stay tuned.